Hey guys, Anthony here with Airstream with DFW. Today I've got for you a 2024 International 30 RV. It's 31 foot 2 inches front to back, 8,800 pounds gross, 6,600 pounds dry. It's the International, so it's got a really beautiful decor on the inside. We'll look at that in a minute. First, let's take a quick loop around the outside, show you some of the features out there. We are, for 2024, ordering all of ours with lithium batteries from the factory. So last year they offered the upgrade, the solar package of 300 watts. Still have that 300 watts this year, but you also get lithium batteries from the factory. 2 Battle-Born 100 amp hour batteries. Really, really nice. Power tongue jack, that's standard on everything Airstream builds now. Of course, you got your rock guards, you got your solar guards. Again, nothing new. I'm sure you guys have looked at Airstreams before. With the 30, you do get one extra storage compartment on the outside that you don't get on these smaller trailers. You've got this one up in the front. That is where the lounge resides, which we'll look at when we get on the inside. This is the International, so on the International model, your window awnings are standard. These come down, they shade the windows. On the 30, you have 3 awnings. You have 2 on this side, you got 1 over the back, which we'll look at in just 1 second. Got your tankless water heater. They went to the tankless water heaters in 2021. Much quicker recovery time. You get water much more quickly when you turn it on. One other quick new feature for 2024, now we have a Cat 5 connector on the outside. So if you wanted to go with Starlink or you wanted to go with some sort of external internet service, you've got a Cat 5 on the outside, a Cat 5 on the inside. It's really easy to run those things. You don't have to cut the wires anymore or wire it into the trailer. We've got that all standard on the Airstreams now. Smart plug, they went to the smart plug a few years ago. It's great, it's really easy to connect. You've got an indicator light here on the plug that tells you that you do have power. So it's really a lot nicer than the old threaded plugs that you used to see in the past. 15-inch wheels, Goodyear Endurance, 6-year factory warranty. The only travel trailer tire fabricated here in the United States. Outside shower, that's standard on everything Airstream builds. Now here at the back, we are in a twin bed model. This is a rear bed model. With the twin beds, I know I've said this before, you do get 3 outdoor storage compartments versus just the 1. So on this 30 foot, you actually have 4 total outdoor storage compartments. You've got another one here on the back, which we'll swing around and look at. They're all lockable too, so you can keep stuff in there, not worry about it walking away. I mentioned that window awning package. This is that 3rd outside awning on here. I was going to grab it. All the awnings on the Airstreams are sunbrella, so if you ever leave them out, you roll them up wet, they're not going to mold or mildew. They're not going to change color in the sun, so if you leave them out, the sun's not going to deteriorate or fade that awning. Backup camera, that is standard on everything Airstream builds with the exception of the base camp. And then here is that 3rd, or actually that 4th outdoor storage compartment on the other side. And then you do have the traditional awning, as you do on all Airstreams, but with the International, you do get the power awning versus the manual awning. So come on guys, we're gonna hop inside, we'll take a look around in there. So one of the nicest features of the 30 is gonna be this front lounge. It gives you a really nice place to sit. It makes into a really good sized bed. The bed functionality is really simple. You just pull that tray out and pop those cushions in place. It's nice and long, easy to sleep at for 2 adults. You do also get some storage underneath the bed. And you get 3 tubs from Airstream, which is nice. You do get some storage behind the bed too. So if you're going to use this as a sleeping space and you need a place to keep your linens and pillows and all that extra stuff for your guests, that gives you a great place to keep that. I mentioned on the outside we're in the International. So the International is really just a decor package more than anything. I kind of equate the International to a northeast coastal beach house. It's got a real beach house feel to it. There are 2 colors on the fabric. This is the aqua. There's also seashell, which is more of a taupey color. It's got a really beautiful contrast with the floor versus the rest of the cabinets in the trailer. But let's step on through. We'll keep looking at the trailer. So we do have a dinette here, which is also a sleeping space. So technically this trailer, they say it sleeps 5 or 6. Everyone really has to like each other for it to be 5 or 6. I think it's more like 4. You do have more windows up here. So if you've ever compared this to a 30-foot Flying Cloud, the 30-foot International removes those lockers overhead, gives you more windows. You get a lot of nice light coming inside the trailer. Speaking of light, all of your cabinets in the International are backlit. Got sliders here, nice deep big lockers. You also, with the International, you're going to get solid surface countertops. So the Flying Fly will have laminates. The International has solid surface. There is a cover for the sink there as well. This does pull down as a sprayer nozzle. Again, more storage. You got nice storage underneath there. You got your trash can built in. Everyone always asks where the trash can goes. That's an important part of owning an RV. There are only two options on this trailer. I mentioned the solar outside. The second option is going to be the convection microwave. So this microwave, we replace the gas oven with this microwave. It is a microwave. It's also a convection oven and an air fryer. So it does all three. It's really nice. It's always good to have an appliance in your RV that does multiple things. A little more storage there. Nice sliding drawer there. And I'll show you this too before we get too far in. You've got a couple of storage compartments on the ends of the dinette too. Built-in tubs. And then two more cabinets there. One there, a drawer there, and then a drawer up here. And then you got 3-burner gas cooktop. Pretty common. Nothing really unusual there. Smart TVs. So you got two TVs in a 30-foot. One here in the living room, one in the bedroom. For 2024, Airstream went to smart TVs all the way across the board. They are also 12-volt televisions. They will run off of your battery system without having to run your 2,000-watt inverter, which is also new for 2024. Previous year models were 1,000. We now have 2,000 watts of inverter space. 2 airs. That's standard on everything that is a 30-foot trailer in the Airstream lineup. They did this last year on the Globetrotters and the Classics, but is now offered on everything. It is a MERV 8 residential style filter. So if you travel with dogs or pets, it really does a better job of keeping the hair and the dander and stuff like that out of your trailer. One more big advantage to the 30-foot trailer is you go to a 10 cubic foot refrigerator versus an 8. They are 12-volt compressor-based refrigerators. They cool off very quickly. You don't have to worry about wasting your propane running your refrigerator. Here's some more storage there. You got your sliding pantry. These shelves are all adjustable. And then you've got a nice big wardrobe closet here. 2 doors. Up top and bottom. And then one of the nice things about the 30 is we go to a bigger toilet and sink area on the 30 versus the 27s and the 25s. It also has a window in there, which you don't get in a lot of your bathrooms. So lots of storage, porcelain toilets. You do have a vent in here. You also have air ducts in there so it doesn't get overly hot in the bathroom. And then this is your shower. A lot of people are always concerned about the size of the shower. I'm 6'2". I can easily stand in that shower and have plenty of space to take a shower without knocking everything down. And then we'll move on to the bedroom. I mentioned outside, this is a twin bed model. So you can get this either twin beds or a queen bed either way. A couple of the advantages to the twin beds, they are longer. The traditional queen bed is 60 by 75. These are a full 80-inch long bed. You do get 2 extra storage compartments with the twin bed model as well. One on both sides. And those can be used for shirt closets. You can also use them for linen closets if you want to. But with the queen bed model, you will not have those 2 storage compartments. And then you do have, I know I showed you the outside storage, but you do have some inside storage on the twin bed models too. You got 2 compartments there. And you've got them on both beds here. Oh, one more thing they did add for 2024 is you will notice around the trailer that you now have USB-C plugs around the trailer, since a lot of devices have gone to that. Well guys, that's it. That is the 2024 International 30 RV. It's a great trailer. It's in stock right now. It is available. But if this isn't the right size for you, if you want something smaller, you want something larger, we've got tons of trailers in stock right now. Just come see us at Airstream at DFW.